those. These is used for more than one nearer objects. Those is used for more than one farther objects. These are fruits. Those are flowers. These are fans. Those are cars. These are cats. Those are rats. These are buses. Those are kites. These are mangoes. Those are apples.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.